है? हाँ, हम यहाँ नहीं बैठे।
ये ले 3 to 5 बस 3 1 4 तेरा 3 to 3 सीमा किधर है? ये लेना है ना इनका ये किसका है? एसोसिएशन ऑफ
अच्छा हम करवाते हैं। आएगा क्या? खत्म हो गया। हो गया ठीक है हो गया। अच्छा हम इसी चल रहा है। हम नहीं करा सकेंगे।
Hello, members. This is my request to maintain silence. We are going to start our program.
अपने मोबाइल फोन साइलेंस पे रखेंगे और अपनी जगह जल्दी ले लेंगे क्योंकि अभी हम लोग प्रोग्राम शुरू करेंगे बस थोड़ी ही देर में। Of Inner Wheel clubs in India, I welcome each one of you, a very warm welcome in a very pleasant Ranchi. It is the installation function of Prabha Raghunandan, the 41st Dulhan, president of our association, and the installation is named Prabha, meaning flow. Prabha is a very committed and dedicated person, and I'm sure her Prabha will be absolutely in the right direction. Ladies and gentlemen, you have traveled great distances to be in Ranchi, the capital state of Jharkhand. This is the third most populous city of this state. And for your information, this city has been selected amongst the 100 Indian cities to be developed as a smart city under our Prime Minister's flagship program. With a very enriching theme, Touch a Heart, an inspiring song, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Inner Wheel Hamara, we will begin the flag parade. You will now witness the Association President 2015-16, Mamta Agarwal, holding the national flag. Association President 2016-17, Prabha Raghunandan, with the Inner Wheel flag. Following her is Patricia Hilton, our association vice president. And then we have the incoming and outgoing secretaries, Megha Bansal and Dr. Sandhya Bhatt, followed by outgoing and incoming association treasurers, Kaval Mehra and Mamta Gupta. And then we have the brand new CCC chairman, PAP Gomati Vishwanathan, and our national editor, past district chairman, Lata Mahalingam. और उनके पीछे कौन है? The charming council members. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath while these beautiful and charming ladies walk across. Can we have the music Sare Jahan Se Acha? Ramji Raghavan, along with our association presidents, both incoming and outgoing, Mamta and Prabha, and our special guest, past International Inner Week President, Minna Kapoor, to come forward to the Samai for lighting the lamp. And Ruhi Conveners Ruhi and Poonam, please escort them. Prosperous future. And I thank Sutapa for the beautiful invocation. Thank you so much. May I request the inner prayer, and may I request everybody to rise.
मित्र भाव के सत्य अर्थ को हम सब में है ईश्वर भर दो, हम सब ही हैं तेरे बालक, भूले ना यह इतना कर दो। धर्म और संस्कृति भेदों का मन में नहीं स्थान रहे, सभी मानवों की सेवा का हमें सदा ही ध्यान रहे। आवश्यकता हमें मदद की हो सकती है याद रहे, सेवा करने की जरूरतें जहाँ कहीं भी आन पड़े, सेवा करने को सब जन की तत्पर हम सब डटे रहें। इनर व्हील की शान बढ़ाएं, यह वर हमें प्रदान करो, मानव जीवन व्यर्थ न जाए, प्रभु ये कृपा प्रदान करो।
Good evening, Namaskar, Naman, Swagatam and welcome to Prabha. प्रकृति सुशोभित धरा सुहावन, प्रकृति सुशोभित धरा सुहावन, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम पावन। इनर व्हील ज्ञान का कोश सनातन, इनर व्हील ज्ञान का कोश सनातन, शाश्वत युग डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3 to 5 पुरातन। अतिथिगण आपको शत शत नमन। First of all, I welcome Mr. Ramji Raghavan, Chairman, Agastya International Foundation, our chief guest, who has graced this beautiful evening with his august presence. Sir, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you. We appreciate your kind gesture, taking out valuable time to be a part of this evening. I also warmly welcome our Association President 2015-16, Mamta Agarwal, who took Inner Wheel to new heights with her untiring efforts during her tenure and gave new dimensions to Inner Wheel. I am deeply honored to welcome Altu Annamalai, who has been elected as IIW Treasurer. Her election to the said post is another feather in the cap of International Inner Wheel. It's the proud privilege of District 3 to 5 to welcome past IIW President Minnaji and Kamla Ramkrishnan. Welcoming them not only brings me joy, but also gives a sense of pride to all of us. I also extend warm welcome to the shining stars of Inner Wheel who have glorified the Inner Wheel platform with their graceful work. PAP Dr. Lalita Seth, PAP Gomti Vishwanathan, PAP Nandini Bhargav, PAP Sarita Yunani, PAP Pushpa Suryamurthy. I respectfully welcome these bright stars of Inner Wheel. A very warm welcome to Patricia Hilton, who is going to hold the post of Association President in the year of 2017-18. My batchmates and my humsafar, outgoing Association Secretary Megha Bansal and Association Treasurer Dr. Kanwal Mehra, I feel elated and honored to welcome both of you. I also welcome the two pillars of Innerweal, incoming Association Secretary Sandhya Bhatt and incoming Association Treasurer Mamta Gupta. Binding district and association together, series of 27 beautiful pearls, I mean association council members, are warmly welcome. District's jewel, district chairman, who have joined us from various districts, participated in today's event and made it merrier, my hearty welcome to all of you. I am excited with the presence of all Innerweal members who have joined us from association and various districts. Welcome, dear friends. PDCs who have joined us from our district 3 to 5 and other districts and are crucial to us are welcome dearly. PDG Ajay Chabra, PDG Sanjay Khemka, DGE Vivek Kumar, your presence here gives intensity to our event. Prabha. District Governor-elect 2016-17, Dr. Bharat, your presence here gives intensity to our event. Prabha. Sir, all of you are warmly welcome. Rotarian friends, Innerweal spouses are welcome dearly for gracing the evening. Association Vice President Prabha Raghunandan's family is here. Would like to extend my welcome to them. Their constant support cannot go unnoticed. From the core of my heart, I welcome Prabha's batchmate, PDC Indu Gupta. Her presence justifies the true essence of Innerweal friendship. My warm wishes to one and all who have flown into Jharkhand's capital, Ranchi, from far or near places and gave us this opportunity to welcome you. District 3 to 5 is thankful to each one of you, and it's a matter of pride for us to welcome you with joy and happiness. I want to conclude this by a few lines. कुसुम की लालिमा के साथ करते हैं हम आपका हृदय से सम्मान, करते हैं हम आपका हृदय से सम्मान, सम्मान करना आपका बना आज हमारा अभिमान। आपके आगमन से हर्षित है मन हम सभी का, आपके आगमन से हर्षित है मन हम सभी का, पुलकित मन से करते हैं हम सब आपका गुणगान। इसके साथ हम अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3 to 5 की तरफ से एसोसिएशन को एक बहुत खूबसूरत नगीना प्रभा रघुनंदन के रूप में एसोसिएशन को सौंप रहे हैं।
May I now request the members of the host district to welcome the scholarly presence of our esteemed chief guest, Sri Ramji Raghavan, Chairman Agastya Foundation, and present a small token for his willing consent to grace our function. Very own elegant, glowing jewels in the Innerweal crown. Our special guest, charismatic, a charming lady who made us proud by being elected as the second International Innerweal Treasurer 2006 President Algu Anamarai. The gracious past International Innerweal President Kamala Ramakrishnan, the third International President from India. Dr. Lalita Seth, the meticulous convener of the 14th Triennial Conference. She left no stone unturned in making the 3-day event a super duper success. Gomati Vishwanath of Innerweal Knowledge. Nandini Bhargava, the composed Nandini, who successfully hosted the 12th Triennial Conference in Varanasi. Pushpa Suryamurthy, the vibrant Pushpa, who hosted the South Asia Rally in Mumbai. And last but not for your information, ladies, all typical gifts of Bihar and Jharkhand. And the material used is Dokra, Tasar and Madhubani. And look around you, all the banners, all the banners, they have Madhubani or Sarai painted on them. And our jewel, the beautiful Prabha, is also draped in the South silk cotton with Madhubani and Sarai work depicting the culture of her state. And ladies also enjoy, you have the enjoy paints, yes? They have been specially designed by Prabha's son, Vaibhav. Ladies and gentlemen, due to paucity of time, it will not be possible for me to call out the name of all individual district chairmen, past district chairmen, and other members of inter-district who are present here. May I request all the past district chairmen of other districts to please rise and we could applaud. Past district chairmen of other districts. May I request members of other districts to rise and get yourself recognized. Other district members or whoever. Thank you. Where are you? We also have a special friend from Sri Lanka, Meena Basu. Sarita Prasad will now recognize the past district chairman, EC members of the host district, and also welcome the very suave, elegant and handsome gentlemen present here.
प्रभा जी ने बड़े गर्व से नाइट चेयरमैन कहकर बुलाती हैं। रक्षा जी, आपकी ट्रेनिंग एंड गाइडेंस ने यकीनन प्रभा जी को इस ऊंचाई तक उड़ान भरने की साहस दी। आपको शत शत नमन। किरण प्रकाश जी, पीडीसी किरण प्रकाश जी। किरण जी, आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत है। पीडीसी कविता जी, हमारा हार्दिक अभिनंदन स्वीकार करें। पीडीसी रूही अहमद। रूही जी तो नहीं होगी। रूही जी, आपका साथ साथ फूलों का। इस सभा में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। पीडीसी रितु डालमिया। रितु जी, हम सब। पीडीसी बीना जैन। बीना जी, हमारा हार्दिक अभिनंदन स्वीकार करें। पीडीसी पूनम प्रकाश। हर कदम पर प्रभा जी का साथ देकर इन्होंने इस सफर को सुगम बना दिया। इस सत्र में इन्होंने डीएलसीसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लिटरेसी कमेटी चेयरमैन का भार भी संभाला है। पूनम, आपका अपने ही इस आयोजन में स्वागत है। हमारे बीच रोटेरियंस भी आए हैं। पीडीजी रोटेरियन अजय छात्रा जी, वी वेलकम यू। आईपीडीजी रोटेरियन संजय हेमका, आपका स्वागत है। रोटेरियन डॉक्टर आर भरत, हम आपका अभिनंदन करते हैं। डीजीएनएन विवेक कुमार, आपका स्वागत है। हम आपका अभिनंदन कर सके। रोटेरियंस डिस्ट्रिक्ट ईसी दीप्ति सहाय, इनका
Shweta Sinha, Aruna Taneja, AC member. District ISO, Poonam Thakur, District Editor, and myself, District Treasurer. Ladies and gentlemen, you all know, behind every successful woman is a successful man. So here is Prabha's husband, Mr. Raghunandan, popularly known as Tom. He's standing right behind. Please come, sir. You are the first gentleman of the Association of Inner Wheel Clubs in India. We request you to come right in the front. We also welcome Prabha's two handsome boys, Vaibhav and
आप लोग सब बीच में दम है
Aya. Please come. Auntie, where are you? Yeah. We welcome Prabha's two handsome cousin Saundarajan, niece Pujita, presence of Prabha's extended family, Amit Khandelwal, Deepthi Shankar, Soumit Samanto, ex-MLA Gautam Sagar Rana, Tripurai Prasad, Prakash Sahai, Dr. Sameer Sarkar, Dr. Sanyal. Now the time has come for a surprise item. Are you ready for a surprise, friends? Yes? Do you want a surprise? Yes. There is going to be a very special felicitation. किसका felicitation? कौन बताया आंसर? आप तो करो ठीक है. So today we have the felicitation of International Inner Wheel Treasurer 2016-17 Algu Annamalai. May I request Association President Mamta, Association EC members of 2015-16 to do the honors after Algu is introduced. Kamala ji and Meena aunty.
Leaders don't create followers, leaders create more leaders. I'm happy to announce and I'm very lucky that this year we have given 2 leaders to International Inner Wheel. We have felicitated our incoming International Vice President in Agra, and it is a pleasure to felicitate. She joined Inner Wheel Club of Madras Fort in 1994 as charter member and has held all the posts in her district club and the district. Chairman of the year 2004-5, she organized a multi-district rally, Dakhin Sangamam, with District 298, 320 and 321. She also has served the association as treasurer, vice president and then president. During her presidentship, first South Asia rally was organized in Kochi, District 320. She has attended 3 IRW conventions in Christchurch, Kota Kinabalu and Istanbul, and has attended 5 Trident conferences. Her interests include inner wheel and landscaping gardens. She is a warm and loyal person and befriends people easily and also keep them for long. I personally know her as a fun-loving, caring and an honest person. This is her formal biodata. I would like to read this for her. A leader is you, Alalu. A leader is you, a leader is kind, a leader is someone who leads from behind. A leader is you, a leader is wise, a leader is someone who does not despise. A leader is you, a leader is great, a leader is someone we appreciate. A leader is you, a leader is fun, a leader is someone we do not shun. A leader is you, we all emulate. A leader is a friend we all must get. A leader is someone who we can believe. A leader is you who will achieve. With my bestest wishes for a wonderful year.
Yeah, please. This side. Be careful with sense. Be careful. God bless you.
Ma'am, this side. Yes, yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
I'm just totally touched. I have no words to thank you all for this wonderful support that you've given me. I promise I will live up to the support and I will keep the flag of our Indian Association flying very high. Thank you so much.
Aliko was my association president. A very short, brief and crisp report of the scintillating year gone by, which has left an indelible print in the hearts and minds of all the members.
Sarita, you said it and I would love to do that. I don't know whether it will be short, crisp or lengthy, but I have to do what I have to do. Respected dignitaries in the audience, Menaji, Kamla, Alagu, Lalita ji, Gomati, Nandini ji, Pushpa, Sakita, District Association EC, outgoing, incoming. Very warm evening to all of you. Members of the host district, District Chairman Aruna of 325, all the district chairmen, currently still they are district chairman, going to be soon AC as installed. All the past district chairmen, members of host district and from all over India. Rotarians, guests, family of Prabha, I welcome you all. Gratitude in advance is the most powerful creative force in the universe. With this belief and with all my humility, I took over the charge of the association from my predecessor, Dr. Rashmi Sharma, and the beautiful journey of presidentship began for me from there onwards. Before I proceed, I would want you to have a look at the reflections of the year just gone by. Who's playing?
For Innoveel clubs in India, it has been a year of happiness, uniqueness and in oneness. Here, you will witness some of the reflections of the treasured and cherished moments of this journey through the lenses. Our association president Mamta Agarwal believed in the power of one, and we got the word smile as an umbrella to work under. The thrust was on the two key projects, sanitation and literacy. While M indicated membership development, and at the same time the letter I reminded us to create an image of our organization. Members were also asked to evaluate their work in terms of achievement of the objectives before them. Almost all the districts have successfully followed these goals, and you will feel proud to know that under sanitation, 2,100 toilets were made or repaired this year, costing about 2.57 crores. In literacy, under Teach, 4,565 teachers were supported by imparting training or were rewarded. Almost 20 lakhs was spent. 421 e-learning centers were opened, amounting to rupees 66 lakhs. 2,000 adults were taught. Centers opened, costing 13 lakhs approximately. 52,384 children besides Asha Kiran were supported through scholarships. 6 happy schools were made. Rupees 3.95 crores was spent. Besides these, the clubs also installed sanitary napkin vending machines, provided deep bore tube wells in drought-affected villages, gave microfinance, constructed homes for senior citizens, cared for environment, ran vocational training centers, held awareness camps on health and hygiene, supported differently abled and orphan children, organized walks, cyclothons, car rallies, beach fair, publicity, and many more. Medical equipments were donated in hospitals, rooms were constructed, cataract surgeries, women dialysis centers were opened, hearing aids provided, ambulance services and palliative care provided, and medical camps were organized for senior citizens and many more, costing 16 crores approximately. For Chennai and Tamil Nadu calamity, we contributed almost 1.5 crores. Under Asha Kiran, nearly 10,000 street children were sponsored at the cost of rupees 2 crores.